Tennessee Alliance for Kids partners with communities to provide essential resources to bring support and hope to families impacted by foster care in Tennessee. During the summit, the CPA community was able to work hands-on in partnership with TAK to fill TAK packs with basic necessities and comfort items for children entering the foster care system. Our media team had the chance to speak with their Director of Development, Sunny Thomas, to learn more about the missions and values of this organization. Thank you so much for sitting down with us today to represent Tennessee Alliance for Kids. I've just got a few questions to start off. Can you share the history of TAK and what sparked the idea to create it?
About 10 years ago, our Tennessee state governor recognized that there was a terrible foster care crisis in our state. Children were entering care at a staggering rate, and foster families were severely under-resourced. There are 8,000 children in foster care in Tennessee. The majority of them enter care due to neglect, and neglect is very closely tied to poverty. In Tennessee, 44% of households struggle to get just their basic needs met. Then also, we have about 1,000 kids age out of foster care every year. And across the state of Tennessee, of the kids that age out of care, 1 in 5 of them will experience homelessness within their first year. So he gathered a group of individuals who cared deeply about foster care, and that is how Tennessee Alliance for Kids was born. And since then, it has grown into a statewide initiative. We have partnerships with churches and schools and companies and individuals, all who are working together to support these families when they need it the most.
How would you describe the main mission of TAK?
TAK meets essential needs to comfort children, empower youth, and offer hope to families impacted by foster care in Tennessee. TAK supports children and families at all stages of foster care, from families at risk of entering care to children in care, youth aging out of care, foster and kinship families, and families working toward reunification. And we do that through 3 main programs. One of them is TAK Paks. That's what we've been doing today with you on campus. TAK Paks are backpacks filled with comfort and essential items that are given to children when they are entering care. Our second program is TAK Foster Love. Foster Love meets individual needs for children and families, things like beds and bedding, car seats, utility assistance even, and short-term housing support. And then our third program is TAK Celebrations. And TAK Celebrations are just what they sound like. They celebrate youth and families in foster care so that they know that there's a community behind them, just to know that they're seen and loved. Partnerships with community partners like CPA, this is the heartbeat of what we do. Y'all have just engaged this project so beautifully. Your entire school, from the drive to all the items that went into these TAK packs to this day on campus with your students packing them. It's a reminder of the fact that we're just all a community together, and that when one of us hurts, we all hurt. And when one of us steps up, we all win. I think that kids of your age, you can be a voice for them. And so I think that what we've done today is going to make a huge difference for many years to come for many kids. So CPA and TAK, I think, are just a match made in heaven. Soli Deo Gloria. Go Lions.